Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. It's Halloween. It is a very warm Halloween for what we're used to out here, but we got a special video for you today. I've been kind of running a little series here lately on some suspension max leveling kits on these 2024 Denali Ultimates and things like that. Just testing some tire sizes and seeing what fits versus what doesn't fit and where you got to trim and stuff like that. So here's another truck today. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you which one we got here. It looks similar to one we just did a couple weeks ago or maybe a week ago. So we're doing a suspension max leveling kit and some 37-inch Toyo MTs. That's the exciting part about this one, is we've been doing like a ridge grappler or an all-terrain tire lately. We're doing a mud terrain tire on this one, so it's going to be pretty cool. So let me know what you think. Here it is. This is a 2024 Denali. I just said Denali Ultimate. That is incorrect. Obviously, this one has the chrome grille in it, so it's just a standard Denali. Not a whole bunch different about the truck, except for that chrome versus dark chrome. You know, we have on the interior of the truck, I'm sure it's the black leather. Yes. No, this is brown leather. That's new. I haven't seen that yet. It's really cool. It says Denali right there. Has the Denali badge on the center console. Very nice truck. Came with the factory power steps. And another thing about this one is, you know, these trucks, I've talked about this in the past, these trucks come with a flat black fender trim from the factory. So it looks like he's either bought the pre-painted ones from GM or he's had these painted. So looks pretty good. I love the factory tow mirror with the chrome trim on top. I don't think the Denali Ultimate has that. I think it's black right there on the Ultimate. All right, for you guys out there who think I don't read the comments, I definitely read the comments. And I see a lot of, hey, why do you only do Chevys? Why do you only do this? Why do you only do that? GMCs and Chevys all day long. And there's no particular reason. I am a GM fan, obviously, over anything else, but Ford has a great truck. Dodge has a great truck. Toyota has a great truck. But my channel, you guys just like GMs more. I don't know what it is. I can post a video of a Chevy and get 5,000 or 6,000 views, and I can post a video of a Ford and get 1,000 to 2,000 views. So nothing personal against it. I kind of do what you guys like, just because I want to see the views and I want to see the channel succeed. But today, obviously, we're doing a GMC Denali 2500 out there, and I figured I'd do a little comparison. So we're going to do a 2024 Ford F350. This is a 350 single wheel, so it's essentially the same thing as a 250, but this is a platinum truck. We're doing a 2.5-inch ready lift leveling kit and some 37-inch. I think we're doing Nitto ridge grappler tires. It may be another tire. I don't remember exactly what it was on this one, but we're also doing the ready lift Logic Air airbag kit with the compressor. So that's really one thing I wanted to show you guys. We've been doing a lot of this lately. So take a look at the truck and tell me what you think, and stay tuned for this one. So here's our truck, 2024 Ford F350 single rear wheel platinum. It does have the 6.7 power stroke in it. Now there's something to do with this engine. There's a high output one and there's a standard output one. This is the standard output. I'm not sure what the power difference actually is, but a lot of guys tell me about it. The platinum has a really nice chrome grille in it. Now Ford has a lot more trim package options on their trucks than GM does. They have like the Platinum, the King Ranch, the Limited, the Lariat, the XL, XLT, Trimmer. They have all kinds of different ones. I guess this is probably a notch down from the top of the most expensive of their trim packages. I do like that this truck has all painted bumpers on it. I'm not a real huge fan of chrome bumpers. I like the painted ones. There is a subtle amount of chrome on the truck, like right here and right here. And the interior of the truck is also very, very nice. Of course, he has a towel down. He doesn't want the shop to mess up the seats. I totally understand that. Good leather. It does have a platinum badge that's very similar to the Denali Ultimate badge. There's your center console badge. Has the 2 big screens in it, just like your GM trucks do. Very, very sharp truck. I will say though, the big difference on the 2, in my opinion, is that the Ford is a straight axle truck, where GM is a independent front suspension, which makes the GM drive a lot better, a lot more responsive steering, and just a better drive overall at high speeds. Whereas the Ford, being a straight axle truck, does a little bit better off-road. There's not as many parts that can, tear up and break, and it does pull better, I have heard. It's a little bit more durable. So anyways, let me know what you think about the trucks. I'm going to go through the installation of the leveling kit on both trucks. We're doing a 2.5-inch leveling kit on both. The GM is going to be a torsion key, whereas the Ford is I think it's a spring and a trap bar bracket in the front with some new shocks. Does the same job, but on 2 different designs. So let me know which one you like better. So the Ford does have a very, very nice interior. I believe the screen is a little bit bigger than the one in the Denali truck. I don't really notice anything else. Both of them have good, soft, comfy seats. I think I like the GM better. I think I just like the truck better is what it is. I'm just partial to it. We've got our Denali done with the Suspension Max leveling kit and the Toyo Open Country MT tires. Everything is come together on it. It looks amazing. Tell me what you think. So I really like this this tire on here. We typically do the Rich Grappler, which is more of an all-terrain tire. This Toyo MT just really looks good to me, and if I had one of these trucks, I'd probably have a mud terrain tire on it like this. My favorite tire is the McDonough Mud Grappler, but they only make that in the 3713 50/20, which makes a lot of rubbing in there on the control arm on the inside, but these clear just about all the way with no touch. We are going to put some mud flap deletes on this truck, but they have not come in yet from FedEx, so we won't be putting that in the video, I don't think. But the mud flap delete is the small piece of plastic that goes right here, and it basically just cuts this off and makes it look factory, just like the AT4X has. But all your standard Sierras and your Denali's come with this piece at the bottom, and the tire does hit it, but just a little bit. If you have any questions or you want to price something like this, just shoot me a call. Number is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. Thank you. So our Super Duty is ready. This is an F350 once again, not an F250. Just wanted to go over it one more time before the customer leaves with it. We did a 2.5-inch front ready lift leveling kit on it and some airbags. And we did some 37, 12, 50, 20 McDonough Ridge grapplers. And I just drove the truck myself. It drives amazing. It doesn't rub when you turn. Everything is awesome on it. So tell me what you think in the comments. Do you like the Ford better? Do you like the GMC better? You know what I'm gonna say. I love the Ford, but I really, really, really love the GMC. So let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching, guys. What I really do like about this though, and this goes for the GM trucks as well. The fact that we can just do a leveling kit in 37s now is amazing. I've been doing this business for a long time, maybe like 15 years. And I remember back in the mid 2010 era, most of these trucks couldn't even fit 33s without rubbing. Like the old like 08 to like 2010 Chevy 2500s. I remember having to cut the fenders to put the 33-inch tire on it, which is crazy. And the fact that these 37s, we didn't even have to trim at all on the Ford. We've got miles of clearance still. Real quick, I'll go over the details again. I said earlier in the video that it was a coil spring lift kit, but this is a spacer style lift kit, which it does the same job. It's just as good. There's no problems there. It's very, very complete. The onboard scale feature that's on the truck, we had to put a bracket down here on the bottom to make that work out just fine. So it works out good. The track bar bracket that you need to center the axle up again is right there. And it does a really good job at what it's supposed to do. If you put a leveling kit spacer on these trucks without that bracket, it's gonna make the wheels stick out further on one side of the truck than the other, and that's not good. The air ride kit we did is the Ready Lift Air Logic, I think is what they call it. There's the bag set right there. Can't really see anything from under here. The compressor is mounted under the truck, waterproof, no issues there. And then it comes with a really cool remote that you can see right there to operate it. Overall, I think the customer is going to be happy with it. If you guys want a price on this one, you know my number, 678-994-9180. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. I'm here every day, so give me a call. Thanks.